This is going to be the first time Coco has ever experienced a vacuum cleaner. Let's prepare for her to scamper off somewhere. Actually, she's brave. I bet she's not going to run. Yeah. She's going to bark. That's it? Kind of what I predicted. Get closer, Mommy.
Well, not forget anything. And I mean, come on, she's on the couch.
Get closer. Get it. She's going back as you go back, and forward as you go forward.
She is like, nope.
Alright, Coco. Say hi. Say hi to the vacuum. No!
I got it.
Jesus. Alright, well, that'll be the end of the video. Alright, she doesn't like vacuum cleaners. That was expected. But she didn't run like I thought she would. Thank you guys for watching. Hit that bell and subscribe button to watch more videos about Coco and our little vlogs. And as always, God bless. Peace.